everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Springday Grape Black Tea recipe in Heartopia. In this Heartopia new updates, there is a new event that called Dreamlike Cinematics. And then at this event, you can cook any limited food and limited drinks. One of them is Springday Grape Black Tea like this, but first you need to unlock the recipe first. And to unlock it, just go to your popcorn serving card, tap on it, and then just choose the Springday Fruit Black Tea as the original recipe. And then next, just replace the fruits ingredients to grape like this, and then just simply tap on Start Cooking. And okay, like this, you will see the animations like this. Animations, you successfully unlock the Springday Grape Black Tea recipe in Heartopia. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.